Well, new tonight here on Nightside, the Alexandria City Council met today to discuss an ordinance on LSUA healthcare initiative and one on Masonic court sports. On their consent agenda, the council introduced an ordinance that will allow the city of Alexandria to enter into a cooperative endeavor agreement, among other joint service agreements and contracts with LSUA as part of the Alexandria healthcare initiative with LSUA. According to council records, the city will match $3 million for a total of $6 million towards the school's downtown Allied Health Services Center here in downtown Alexandria. The council also adopted an ordinance authorizing the mayor to accept the lowest bid for Masonic court sports that is designated for the city's Reignite project, and engineers estimate the project to cost $980,000, also according to court records. Alexandria Mayor Jacques Roy will speak more on the Reignite project during a mayoral briefing in city council chambers tomorrow. It starts at 3:30 p.m. on Wednesday, and we'll bring you the latest from that briefing once it concludes.